Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and I'm here in Mallorca and I'm visiting this hotel, which is the Zafiro Bahía, with my friend Helen. So join us as we look round this magnificent resort.
Welcome then to this resort in Playa de Muro, which is not far from Alcudia in Mallorca. Zafiro hotels have 14 properties, mainly 4-star and 5-star resorts in Mallorca and Menorca. This hotel features 289 renovated studios and apartments, and myself and Helen were staying in a studio and an apartment which was adjoining, and we'll show you that later on in the video. And have you stayed here? We'd like to know what you thought of it. Please do comment below. The gardens here are beautiful and there are lots of pool options. Now, if you're a family with small kids, this is ideal for you. It's very much geared up towards families with small children. If you are a couple or a single person, this place might not be for you. And this is the kids club. And into the reception we go, which has its own signature smell. The staff here were really nice, I've got to say. And on the lower floor there is a spa, which we'll show you now. Here's the spa. And these are the spa treatment rooms. And this is an adults only pool. It's one of them heated pools. And there's a steam room and a sauna. Very nice. It wasn't as hot as I thought it was going to be in that pool. Now, this is an adult only area. There is a gym as well. And there's also a family pool down here. This resort is set over 4 buildings and there are lifts in all the buildings. And as we go upstairs, we're in the bar and entertainment room here. There is a stage on the outside area as well. And this hotel does have access to the beach, which we'll show you in a little bit as well. And beautiful gardens, very well maintained. The tropical gardens. Beautiful weather as well when we were there. It was around 29 degrees in April. And more seating around here where you can relax and watch the world go by. There's a pool table. They also have table tennis here and crazy golf. And this is the outside area, another place where they serve food, although this was closed in April. And this is the main restaurant. And we'll be having a look in that restaurant soon. Let's carry on walking down a long pool, lots of different pools, all the way down the centre of the resort here. And that thing in the middle does blow up. There it is, blown up, with kids bouncing on top of it. And above that you can see the rooftop pool and adults only area. And this is the a la carte restaurant. And again, we'll have a proper look at the a la carte restaurant in a moment. You can eat there once if you're staying there for a week. Here's the crazy golf. I'm not very good at golf, so I didn't play. I would probably still be there now trying to pot the first ball. If you do want to play golf, you get the clubs from the reception area. And more facilities for kids in the corner there, a play area and bouncy castle. And we're on the rooftop adults only area. This is an infinity pool, heated. Very nice indeed. We spent a lot of time up here, just relaxing. And let's have a look through the round window. Well, it's not a window, is it? Beautiful. And I look down on the a la carte eating area, and there is the path to the beach. And more apartments. And this is the pirate ship. There's another pool there. And the pirate ship as well for the kids. With the slides. Very nice indeed. Lots of fun for mum and dad. And the kids. And the good thing is, we were away from it all in this adults only area on the roof, which was my favourite place. And this is the a la carte restaurant, and very nice it was as well. I like these big fish, whatever they are, the sharks, I'm not sure. Let's head up then to the rooms we were staying in. I was staying in a 1-bedroomed apartment, and Helen was in a studio apartment, and they were adjoining rooms. Now here at this hotel they have different room categories. On the lower floor some of them have private pools, and on the higher floors some of them have jacuzzis. I was in room 2315, and let's go in. First impressions, very spacious. Nice living room, TV, dining area, and this is the bedroom. King size bed, patio outside, another TV, and a fully fitted kitchen there as well. And we'll have a walk through here. This is the studio apartment. Again, nice seating area there. Queen size bed in this one, and there was a king size bed in my room. I had the 1-bedroom apartment, and Helen had the studio apartment. We both had our own bathrooms, which we'll show you in a moment. That sofa there turns into a bed as well. And we played a couple of games of cards. And the sink area there outside of the shower room and toilet. And controls there on the wall for the heating and the air conditioning, and beautifully lit. And nice neutral colours, plenty of places to store your luggage that's safe as well for your valuables. And what's behind the curtain? Oh, very nice. Didn't actually get much chance to sit out there in the evenings, I don't know why. Some rooms have private pools and others have a jacuzzi. There's a supermarket right near the hotel if you want to get anything from there. And like I say, you can get the bus into the main towns. A nice stained glass window there on the roof. Do stay tuned, we've still got a look at the beach to come, and we're going to have a look at the food offering as well. And here's the path down to the beach at the back of the resort. The location here is fairly good. It's not too far from Alcudia, and it's not too far from Can Pickerfort. And you can catch a bus from the front of the hotel, which Helen was pointing out there. This is very popular as well with cyclists. You'll see lots of cyclists going up and down this main road. And 200,000 cyclists come here every year. We're just walking down towards the beach. It really is beautiful. It's nice that the weather was great for us as well. And this lovely white sand and turquoise water beyond. There are some beach bars and restaurants along here. Many of them are not open in April. And as we go along the jetty, at the top of this jetty, during the summer months, you'll be able to get boats from here to local places and beyond. Nearly half the population of Mallorca lives in Palma, and I will have to come back and visit again because I believe that is a lovely place. And I believe the highlight is the cathedral, which took 400 years to build. I think you'd need different builders. And the Mallorca 312 cycle event starts and finishes here at Playa de Muro with 8,500 participants. That's a lot of men and women in Lycra. Let's go back into the hotel itself and have a look at some of the food offering. I've got to say, whilst there was a lot of nice choice, I like my food to be very, very hot, and sometimes with buffet, it isn't as hot as you'd like it to be. But the food was of really high quality. I liked the Balinese sauce, and they had some kebab meat, and of course all the different salads and soup. And in the morning, lots of juices, the most juice I've ever seen anywhere. And cereals and breakfast items, yogurts, eggs. There was an omelette station as well. Bread and toast, tea and coffee. There's some hash browns. And from the restaurant we go to the entertainments area, and a lady there balancing on a string. Gosh, that would make my eyes water. That doesn't look comfortable. And there was a clown as well. I'm not sure where the clown is at the moment. There she goes again. Very good. Whoa. Like I said, the entertainment here very much geared up for the children. And they have a mascot. This is the mouse mascot. of Zafiro. I saw a mouse there. Oh no, gone again. My friend Mark, who does Mark's House and Garden, would absolutely love these different plants, and he would know what all these plants are. I don't have a clue. And almost at the end of the video now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and do comment below. Have you been here? What did you think of it? And here's Helen with the final word.